Today we are going to compare two popular password managers, LastPass and KeePass. These tools are designed to help you manage your online credentials securely. They generate, retrieve, and keep track of super complex passwords across countless accounts for you. But which one is better? Let's find out. LastPass offers features like automated form filling, password sharing, emergency access, and a digital wallet. It's a comprehensive tool for managing your online credentials. On the other hand, KeePass offers features like an open source program, plugins, and offline password management. It gives you complete control over your data. However, its feature set can be a bit overwhelming and less user-friendly. LastPass offers a free version, but its premium version starts at $3 per month. It also has plans for families and businesses. KeePass, being an open source tool, is completely free. You can download and use it without any cost. However, donations are encouraged to support the development and maintenance of the software. LastPass is known for its sleek and intuitive user interface. It's easy to use and navigate, even for beginners. KeePass, on the other hand, has a more complex user interface. It's not as intuitive and may require a learning curve, especially for non-tech savvy users, but once mastered it can be highly customizable. LastPass integrates seamlessly with various browsers and platforms including Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS. It also supports multi-factor authentication. KeePass also supports a wide range of platforms, but due to its open-source nature, integration with browsers and other platforms may require additional plugins or third-party extensions. Both LastPass and KeePass offer robust security measures. LastPass uses AES 256-bit encryption with PBKDF2 SHA 256 and salted hashes to secure your data. KeePass also uses AES and two-fish encryption algorithms. However, as an open-source tool, KeePass allows for more transparency as anyone can inspect its code for vulnerabilities. LastPass offers customer support via email and an extensive knowledge base. It also scales well with business plans for teams and enterprises. KeePass, being an open-source tool, relies on community support. Its scalability is dependent on the user's technical skill, as it requires manual setup for multiple users or teams. Overall, the winner is LastPass. It offers a more user-friendly experience, seamless integrations, robust security, and excellent customer support. While KeePass is a strong contender, especially due to its open-source nature and customization possibilities, it requires a higher technical skill level and lacks formal customer support. Thank you for watching this comparison of LastPass and KeePass. We hope it has helped you make an informed decision about which password manager to use. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more tech comparisons. Remember, your online security is important, so choose wisely.